Hi, this is Fed, your content creator slash working mom. For today's video guys, a little bit of life update tayo. As you can notice, hindi na masyadong consistent ang ating upload sa page. Hindi na masyadong everyday yung reels. Kasi for a while guys, I just did a little bit of social media detox. Medyo busy na rin recently. And plus, contemplating about life, kinakamusta ko lang yung mga plano ko. O self, kamusta ng plano mo sa buhay? Ganon din ba kayo guys? Are you also experiencing the adulting pressure? Pero, anyways, I realize na I don't need to stress too much about it. I just pray, and I know he knows what's best for me. His way and his will is way more better than mine. Tama ng chika oy. So let's get back to the update na gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys. So nag-date lang kami ni Arlo dito sa Playhouse guys. Gaisano Haniway sa Playhouse nila. Because I realized recently na parang it's been a long time na since the last time na nag-Playhouse si Arlo. And I think that was last year December. Kasama niya si tita niya Kulot, and dalawa lang sila sa loob. We just waited outside. Actually guys, this is the first time na gumayak ako na kami lang dalawa ni Arlo. Kasi usually hindi talaga ako gumagayak ng kami lang kasi I'm a little bit hesitant kasi parang feeling ko hindi ko kaya pag wala si tatay. Ang likot-likot niya kasi guys. So, ayan. But it turned out that it's fun and it's been a successful date with Arlo. Even may mga konting aberya lang along the way, but I've already anticipated it and prepared myself. So, medyo all good lang siya. Medyo nag-enjoy siya dyan guys. Yung most favorite part niya sa Playhouse is andyan yung may mga doctor station, may sari-sari store, tsaka may kitchen set. Diyan talaga siya nag-enjoy guys. Kasi yung nabook ko na time is just 1 hour. Kasi the first time na last year when we're here, 1 hour din yun guys. And I thought it's enough, but kulang siya for him. Kasi ayaw niyang lumabas guys. And plus, nagpupo siya dyan that time. So, I really need to change the nappy guys. Walang changing station or changing area dyan sa loob. So, we need talaga na lumabas and dun mag-change sa kanilang toilet. And medyo nagtantrum siya outside nung nasa labas na kami. Ayaw niyang isuot ang kanyang shoes and nag-cry siya ng very loud. But I handled it well. Just stay calmed and konting utis-utis ba. So, survived that one part. And we just had a little bit of snack here. His all-time favorite, fries. And guys, favorite niya talaga yung fries. 2 beses kami actually nag-toilet dyan kasi 2 beses siyang nag-poop. And aside sa fries, nag-ice cream din ang Batang Bael. It's been a successful day. Thank you for watching.